Hello everyone, this is Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to change the string on a 20-volt Hart weed trimmer. So this string was all caught up on the inside here. You're going to pinch these two blue tabs and lift the cover off. All right. The cover is part of the tabs. So in here, this is where the actual string is. Now let's just pull it up. Mine was caught up in there. So I'm going to pull it out. Go ahead and pause. Okay, so this is what the string looks like. You can buy things that are already have the string wound on them, or you can wind the string yourself. Okay, so the size line it takes is 0.065 line. And you're going to start, there's a spot right here. You're going to put the line in there, and it's going to make a 90-degree turn. All right, push it in there. Now we're going to follow the arrow on the top here and wind it accordingly. It's going to bend over on itself wherever you put it in. Now to keep it nice and tight, you're going to wind it up onto this spool. And just kind of follow a pattern, because it's got to feed itself out of there. You don't want it to get all wound up on top of each other. Now you're going to leave a little bit sticking out. Just kind of go back and forth. Now there's a spot here where you can put it in and click it into place. Now it's held there and it's not going to unwind itself. But now we got to put it back into the machine. These grooves here, it's going to go down. The part with the arrow goes up. So you're going to stick, there's only one hole for that string to go out. So feed the string into that little hole. Now keep it aligned, put it down, rotate it, kind of pull it. Now it's outside, it's out of that little clip, and it's at the right height. If you need to cut it, go ahead and cut it. Now we got to put the cap back on, pinch these tabs down, and now you're ready to go. It's going to auto feed itself. All right. Okay, so now let's give it a try. Okay, so the size line it takes is 0.065 line.